In this video, you're going to learn how to listen to thousands of people at once using the online observer technique. And this is such a cool and underutilized thing that we can do to utilize the power of the internet to truly listen and understand our target market. So we're using the power of online marketplaces to specifically learn about your target market. So these online marketplaces are where the people in your niche are already hanging out and already having conversations online. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to these forums, go to where your niche market is leaving reviews, and just read what they're saying. We're listening by reading, and by doing this, we're going to truly understand what our target market is struggling with and how we can best help them. And there are two main reasons that we do this. So the first one is we're learning about our customers' pain points. Instead of guessing what pains our customers are experiencing in our niche or the customers in our target market, we can hear it directly from them. They're writing out what they're struggling with. They're describing how it feels to struggle with that thing. They're talking to other people about their pain. And you'll notice that if there's a common pain point that a lot of people in your target market are experiencing, you're going to find that out very quickly because over and over again, people are going to be posting about it or they're going to be mentioning it in their reviews. So we can learn so much so quickly doing this method, and we don't even have to get on the phone with anyone because I know that can be very uncomfortable for a lot of people. And the second reason that we do this is we can copy and paste our customer's language into a Word document that we can use to write the first draft of our sales copy in the future. Now, when I learned about this method, it blew my mind. It completely changed the game for me. Because before, how I would used to write copy, and how most of us write copy, is we start with a blank Word document, just that intimidating white screen. And after talking to our target market, we then have to come up with something in our head and type it out, guessing what it is our customers want and how they want to be communicated that. So in other words, we have to come up with the language and the words ourselves with our best guess of what our customers, our target market want. But what's such a more effective and easy solution to write the first draft of your copy is to copy and paste language directly from these online forums and these online marketplaces, and then piece it together like a puzzle to make our first draft of our copy. And then we edit our own customer's language and turn that into the sales letter or into the email, whatever it is we're creating. So don't worry, as we go on throughout this course, I'm going to show you exactly what this process looks like. But the main thing that I want you to take away at this point is this is another huge added benefit that we get by going to these online marketplaces. When we find our customers or target market speaking directly to the deepest pains that they're experiencing, we want to copy that language without changing it at all and just paste it into a Word document. And that is going to become so useful for us when it comes time to actually write our copy. And we're also going to be using their language to write the headlines, which is like the subject line to the emails we write, or the title of our book, or whatever the headline is. It's going to become way easier to write when we can use our customer's language as inspiration. Here are some of my favorite online marketplaces to go, and we're going to walk through me actually going through these online marketplaces in a future video. But feel free to use your imagination here. Anywhere where people from your niche or target market are gathering online is a great place to go to get and listen to some of their language. But I like to look at reviews on other Udemy courses. Going to the Amazon Kindle bookstore and reading the reviews there is another great place to get this information. Browsing comments on Reddit, if there's a subreddit specific to your niche, is an awesome place to go. And then you can just Google search for the most popular forums and blog comments that are specifically about your topic. In this video, you learned about the online observer technique.